Describe a water sport you would like to try in the future. A water sport I would like to try in the future is scuba diving. I have always been fascinated by the underwater world and the incredible marine life that inhabits it. I would love to try scuba diving in a tropical destination, perhaps in the crystal clear waters of the Maldives or the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. These locations are renowned for their vibrant coral reefs, colorful fish, and diverse marine species. While scuba diving may seem challenging at first, I believe with proper training and guidance from certified instructors, it can be a rewarding and unforgettable experience. Learning to use the scuba equipment and mastering essential diving techniques would be a thrilling and educational journey. The reason I am eager to try scuba diving is to explore a whole new realm that is usually hidden from our daily lives. Being able to swim alongside exotic sea creatures, witnessing the beauty of coral formations, and feeling weightless underwater would be a surreal and magical experience. Moreover, I have always been passionate about environmental conservation, and I see scuba diving as an opportunity to connect more deeply with the ocean and its inhabitants. By experiencing the wonders of marine life firsthand, I hope to develop a greater sense of responsibility towards protecting and preserving our oceans for future generations. Scuba diving is also a chance to challenge myself mentally and physically. Confronting any initial fears and gaining confidence underwater can be empowering and lead to personal growth. In conclusion, scuba diving is a water sport I aspire to try in the future. Its allure lies in the chance to explore the underwater world, connect with marine life, and contribute to environmental conservation. Though it may present initial challenges, the opportunity to immerse myself in a whole new realm and experience the beauty of the ocean firsthand makes scuba diving an adventure worth pursuing. One. What are the advantages of water transportation? Water transportation offers several advantages, including cost-effectiveness for transporting large quantities of goods over long distances. It is also eco-friendly compared to some other modes of transport, as it produces fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Waterways are often less congested than roads, leading to smoother and more reliable transport. 2. Why do people like to live near water? Living near water provides various benefits and attractions. The calming effect of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, or the sea can enhance the overall quality of life. Additionally, waterfront properties often offer picturesque views and recreational opportunities like fishing, boating, or swimming. 3. What kinds of water sports are popular in Indonesia? In Indonesia, water sports enjoy immense popularity due to the country's vast coastline and numerous islands. Some popular water sports include surfing, diving, snorkeling, jet skiing, water skiing, and wakeboarding. Additionally, traditional water sports such as boat racing and fishing are also cherished by local communities. 4. Do you think it is good to teach swimming in school? Yes, teaching swimming in school can be highly beneficial. It not only promotes water safety but also encourages physical fitness and healthy lifestyles. Swimming is a life skill that can save lives and increase water confidence, especially in a country with many water bodies like Indonesia. Moreover, introducing swimming as part of the school curriculum fosters a sense of discipline and team spirit among students. 5. What do you think of the people who waste water? In regions facing water scarcity, such wastefulness can have severe consequences on communities and the environment. It is essential for individuals to be mindful of their water usage and adopt responsible water-saving practices to ensure sustainability and protect water sources. 6. What are the characteristics of goods transported by water? Goods transported by water are often bulky and non-perishable, making water transportation suitable for items that don't require immediate delivery. Industries that benefit from water transport include agriculture, bulk grains, mining, ore and minerals, and manufacturing, raw materials. Additionally, certain consumer goods like automobiles and electronics are also transported by water due to cost effectiveness for long-distance shipments.